So I went ahead and fixed our microwave. The capacitor came unplugged, but I have a pretty big surprise for you guys. I can't find the battery, sadly, but we're gonna see what happens. Microwave. My old cell phone. Too bad I can't find the battery, man. I have it somewhere around here. Somewhere. Of course, when I want it, I can't find it. See, I ain't put the bottom piece on the door. I just said, stay out with it. Because, you know, I'm probably gonna have to take this shit apart anyway. Again. And some of those screws, like to get this case off, or fucking I had to use my wrench. You know, my little cutters. I had to cut the screws off and turn them. So, it's gonna be fun. Got my beer ready. Power's on. We're checking to see what happened. Oh, it's good beer. Oh, that Bud Light Platinum. So, make sure we're sitting in a good spot. Don't got any crawly friends. Yeah, it's really what I'm worried about. Anyway, here we go. Microwaving my old cell phone for you guys. Already on fire. It's really hard for y'all to see. Zoom in. No battery, sadly. If I can find the battery, I'll stick it in there. If we can. That's 2 minutes. In the nuker, let's see what happens. It's pretty weak, but it is daylight. It's a cloudy day here. It's awful sad. Nothing yet. Let's see. It's not turning. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, it's smoking. Smoking. I'll zoom out so y'all can see the smoke. Oh man. I have 40 seconds to go. It's kind of cold out here today. Oof. That shit made me jump, yo. Extend it. Another minute. Oh man. Oh goodness, I can smell it. It is burning that plastic up. You see it on fire? Wow. Microwaving the old cell phone. Well, that's cool. I'm gonna let it finish and we'll analyze what happens. Sparking a little bit. It's kind of hard for y'all to see in this light level. This glare. God. That's it. Let's see what happens. Oh. Whew. the old cell phone. Not really much of a cell phone now. Wow. That's kind of lame. Thought it'd be cooler when you microwave the old cell phone. Anyway. Take it out. Oh, damn, that shit fucking hot. Burnt my hand a little bit. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna maybe blister. Here's the screen. There's the cell phone under it. It's plastic. No battery in here. I don't have any screwdriver or anything to grab it with. Probably should have brought something. You could analyze it a little bit safer. Oh, Jesus, what am I looking at? Analyze it a little bit safer. But, hey, it's alright. Look at that. Who would have known? It's like paper. Got too bad we didn't have the battery, man. I'm kind of disappointed. I think the battery would have made it a little bit more fun. I had it somewhere, man. I should have spent more time looking for it. Anyway. Let's finish taking apart. One-handed like. What do we have? Where's the camera? Melts it out. Ooh, it's still hot. Well, there you go. It's microwaving the old cell phone. Jeez, look at that microwave. This is a completely shot, kind of. Well, you know what they say. Let's see what happens. We can move it around. Still kind of disappointed, man. Still kind of disappointed. Alrighty, guys. I'll let this cycle finish. This has gone on long enough. It's on fire a little bit. That's why it was so hot. Well, anyway, if you like this, you want to see more like it, let me know. We can learn what happens when you microwave shit together. I'm your host, Microwaver, and a bunch of other crap. So, if you like this, leave a like, comment, and expect to see more microwaves. I'm just happy I fixed it, man. I need to come up with some more ideas.